one side tube was blocked. So we decided to go ahead and try IUI. Hello, welcome back to our tips series of fertility patients, positive patients. So here we have a lovely couple who is about 30-year-old. They are from Dharwad and they were married for almost 4 to 5 years. And she had come with a history of 2 miscarriages previously, and she had a heart-shaped uterus and one side tube was blocked. So we decided to go ahead and try IUI after evaluating both husband and wife. And we thought we will do IUI if the ovulation happens on the side where the tube is open. That is the left side her tube was open. And that time we thought, let us try IUI. And that cycle, I think it had come on the right side, the first cycle, and we told them try naturally. And they were very disappointed. And we tried again. The second cycle, again the follicle had come on the right side itself where it was blocked. And I told them we will try naturally, there are chances. The risk of ectopic was also explained. And fortunately, by God's grace, she is conceived. And now, beautifully, she has crossed 3 months. No risk of miscarriage, and baby is looking healthy and everything looks fine. Mother is looking healthy and happy finally with so much of anxiety. So yes, darling, how was your experience and what tips would you want to give couples who are trying like this with one tube blockage?
Yeah. So I would say, like, the first time I stepped into this clinic, we had this positive vibe. Like, we really got positive vibes from you, and I think it turned out really beautiful for us. We're really thankful and grateful to you, doctor. Staying positive is very important, especially for someone like me who's an overthinker and anxious person. I think your motivation and support was something which helped us. We got results so fast. Even we were happily surprised that we got the results so fast. So we had been almost trying for almost 2 years. So yeah, really happy.
How did you keep yourself positive? Though we had to, I think your husband and me, we had to force positivity into you. Yeah. But how did you stay positive and believe that, okay, let me just try once more and see how things go? Because you were shattered completely when I told, no, the follicle is again on this side, and when I said, no, you try naturally, there are chances.
I think faith is something for me which has really helped. I think putting everything on God and trusting that process, right? And everything on the doctors who know what they're doing. I think that did wonders for us.
And any fertility diet you had, or any special food, something you had to help your fertility journey?
So yeah, like you had suggested, I was doing exercises, yoga, and also try to cut down the sugar intake and all the supplements which I would take them regularly.
Okay. And how important is family support, husband support?
Yeah, it's definitely important. It's very important to have a supportive husband who's ready to be there for you all the time.
Whatever the difference is.
Really makes a difference. Because you know you can rely on someone.
What would you want to give, if I would say one tip or one advice that for couples who are like feeling stuck, or they don't know what to do because of the tube issue, or because of the low egg quality, or previous miscarriage history, or anything? What would be that one thing which would help from your side, which would be like, okay, no, this is my advice, this is my tip to you all?
I think, as soon as we decide like we want to have kids, we should first visit a doctor whom we trust, and start following whatever supplements they give. Plus, we should give our 100% and keep trust in the process that it's going to turn out, and keep reminding yourself that everything is going to turn out well. Like, even now, I listen to affirmations every day just to make myself calm.
That's so sweet. Chalo, congratulations. Thank you so much. And hopefully you'll have a lovely parenthood journey, a blessed pregnancy, and come back and we'll make the next video with the babies.